Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to create images from text in Adobe Express. So first of all, make sure you have the application installed. Open the application. Once the application is opened, you need to sign in or sign up if you don't have the account. Now scroll down and look for the option for generate image. So you can see over here, you can type or write anything which you want to. I will write duck in space swimming and then hit generate. Now wait for a while till the image is generated. There are a lot of pictures over here from the prompt which we have typed in. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel as we are looking forward to hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you.